Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese popcorn at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels, 2 tablespoons of your preferred popping oil, and 1/4 cup of cheese powder. Make sure you have a large, heavy-bottomed pot with a tight-fitting lid ready. Having everything measured and within reach will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get popping. Pour 2 tablespoons of oil into your large pot and heat it over medium heat. To test the oil's temperature, add 3 popcorn kernels. Once those kernels pop, add the remaining 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels to the pot. Quickly cover it with the lid and gently shake the pot back and forth until the popping sounds slow down to about 2 seconds between pops. With your popcorn popped, it's time for the cheesy goodness. In a small pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over low heat. Once melted, immediately pour this warm butter evenly over your freshly popped popcorn. Then, sprinkle 1/4 cup of cheese powder directly over the buttered popcorn. The butter helps the cheese powder adhere perfectly, ensuring every piece gets a delicious coating. Finally, give your cheesy popcorn a good, gentle toss to ensure the cheese powder is evenly distributed and coats every single kernel. Taste a piece and feel free to add a little more cheese powder or a pinch of salt if you like. Your homemade cheese popcorn is now ready to enjoy. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some fantastic socks and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.